Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Fishing 864. We're here in Union, South Carolina, like almost in like Cross Keys, I guess you would say. Here we are with Macedonia Lake, I think this is. Little lake pond here. We got the old yakety yak. Got old B here, South Carolina fish hunters. Gave B a side challenge. He went on a fishing trip. He only had $1 to his name. So went into Walmart and said, you pick out any lure in Walmart, I'll buy it. And the only thing is, you want to keep that lure that you pick out and bought, you got to catch fish on it. If you don't, I get it, since I paid for it. He's got to work for it. So give him a thumbs up here for B.
What's going on, guys?
Trying to win his lure. What lure did you pick out, B?
Old chatterbait.
Old chatterbait?
Yeah, a little chatterbait.
So the whole story picked out a chatterbait. So we're going to see if he catches a fish on it, he gets to have it. See you guys on the water. Alrighty, guys and gals, it is a wonderful day to be out here trying to catch some bass for you guys on the YouTube channel. Like I said, guys, if you hadn't already, smash that subscribe button, leave a like if you like this content. I need you guys to subscribe so we can do more adventures, do more things, get better equipment, upgrade, update. But anyway, the water temperature is 59 degrees and I am tracking fish right here, right now, where I'm at. So we're gonna try to see what we got on here. I got a pretty good selection. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the old Googan Go 2 with the old Shimano SLX. Got a lot of purple stuff on here. Oh, first thing we do. Guys, I ain't even had time to dial this reel in, so yeah, this was our outcome on the first cast. Gotta love a good backlash. Oh yeah, that's a good one, guys. Not too bad. It's not too bad. Alright, guys, I done got her dialed in here. The old Shimano on the old Googan Go 2. Yeah, I know it. We kind of frigged up there. Guys, this Googan rod throws so good on this FSX. It's crazy, guys. I mean, I can literally just put it where I want it. Absolutely insane, guys. It's a nice day out here for sure. The water is murky. So I mean, it is what it is. It's kind of been raining 40 days, 40 nights here. So it is what it is, guys. We almost got this old Shimano dialed in here. We're gonna see about it though. Kind of want to throw some top water. Alrighty, got the old Abu on there with a bio spawn worm. We're gonna see. I got it weightless, so I don't know. I might put a weight on there. But this is a real slow working worm, so we'll see. We'll see. It's 9 feet right there. Oh. Might put an old Bambito bug on there. Let's see what happens. Oh, I thought I had something, guys. Old stump, do it every time. Let's get her out of here. Alright, guys. Swap to the Guggen vessel on a pitching jig. We'll see what happens. I figured they would be wanting to try to hammer that thing. The bees over there in the trees. Guys, it is so peaceful out here. We can't catch some bass. Alright guys, I have swapped to a whopper plopper. I know it, it's not whopper plopper season. I can hear y'all now. But why though, Rabbit? Why you got a whopper? Well, just practicing, I guess. I really want to see how this Guggen rod would react. And this Shimano reel. Look guys, I'm not even gonna lie. After throwing this Shimano SLX DC, I kind of don't want to throw nothing else, so I guess I'm gonna be, I mean look, we could just sell it for days. I mean, I know this rod and reel combo is Guggen go-to, Guggen Gold go-to with the Shimano SLX DC 150. I know it's high, but watch this. I literally just threw a whopper plopper in the trees. I mean, look at that from here. I love this combo, dude. I love it. I believe I'm going to get a couple more of these Guggens. And definitely will be investing in one more SLX DC, because these things are just phenomenal. I'm glad I bought it. I'm glad I listened to everybody. Glad I didn't get the 13 fishing one, because it is what it is. Alrighty guys, I got the old Guggen clutch on there. See if we can't rip something out of here with it. This whopper plopper got destroyed. It got all tangled up in my tackle box, and we broke the hooks off, so yeah. We don't have no whopper plopper no more. Story of my life, brand new, just had to pack today, but I promise you guys, next time I go to Academy, I'm gonna buy like 15 or 20 of them. Please tell me I ain't just lost this clutch. Oh God, this would be an expensive fishing trip if that was the case. I think I would just leave the rod attached. Oh, I can't believe we got that Guggen. It's tangled up. Oh, we got it back. Or not. Alright guys, South Carolina Fish Hunter is on. What did you catch him on, B? The trench hog, the Guggen Squad trench hog. Guys, I'm coming, I can't get here fast enough, damn it. You got him, B, that's what's up. Hold on, I'm coming. So you did not catch him on the chatterbait. You caught him on the trench hog? Oh, look at that little bass. Oh, B is, that's what's up. That's what is up, B. This is a phenomenal reel. Hands down. Lose who? That's what I'm gonna say. Sorry, Lose. It is, you is what it is, but this here Shimano train is where it's at, bub. I mean, yeah, Lose is really good stuff. It is actually, Lose is the only fishing stuff that I've ever seen that was fairly affordable, but made well. It's like Lose should charge more, because their reels and stuff is actually better and good, you know, for what you pay. They're actually cheap. And I mean, that was just a good throw all day long. I don't know if you guys seen that or not, but that was just phenomenal. Oh, what? B, we got fish over here. Fish everywhere. Dude, I don't know if you guys seen that on no Garmin over there, but Lord have mercy. We're gonna try to turn around and make another swoop. Stay with me. Alright guys, we get out here in the deeper water. It is still a fabulous day, guys. Fabulous. It is wonderful here at Lake Macedonia in Cross Keys, South Carolina, which is in Union, South Carolina. It's just basically a little community. It's kind of like Lockhart. Now, wait a minute, Cross Keys. Now, I'm not saying you guys are like Lockhart. No, I'm just going to shut up now and catch fish. Hit the like button for Cross Keys and Lockhart, South Carolina. There's good people. But yeah, we just got this little swim bait going out here, guys. I'm tracking some fish here on the Garmin. It's like 11 feet deep, and the fish is maybe like 8 foot so down. The wind's kind of blowing me a little bit all over the place here. But the water temp's 57 degrees outside. I'm not quite sure what the temperature is sitting here on the old Yakety Yak. B over there, old South Carolina Fish Hunters, make sure you go over to his channel. He ripped old bass out of here on old, what was it, a trench hog? Googan trench hog, guys. Googan trench hog. He smashed it out of there, guys. So make sure you go ahead and check out his video if you want to see more of that. I don't know. He might have been recording, might have been had it filming. Don't know. Have to take a look, guys. Oh, look at this rod stand. Jackpot. Cha-ching! I'll take it. I don't know. They might not be, maybe. Excuse me. Yeah. Yep. Well, this looks promising for a little micro mini fishing. Oh, wow. Let's see what happens. Oh no, really? Oh, really? Okay. All right then. Oh, I got hung up. I lost that. Alrighty, guys and gals, boys and gals. Got the old Googan Mondo worm. Black blue flake. Let's slap one on there. And we're gonna see. Oh boy. Go to www.googanbaits.com. Right there. I'm sure if you want a discount, just use code something, whoever your favorite YouTuber is that you'd like to watch. Sometimes I forget I'm filming. looks good there, guys. Alrighty, guys, got the Mondo worm on there. We're gonna see. See if we can't get us something off this Mondo worm here. Black Guggen Mondo. I don't know, man. It feels like summertime, guys. You would think that they was wanting to do something. But, however, though, I mean, it is what it is, guys. We've almost went full circle around this thing. Come on, baby. I know there's something in this little lake. Bee has done caught one. I know there's more than that in here, guys. I'm seeing them on the Garmin, but I just can't quite figure this out, guys. It's crazy. Got the old Guggen Mondo worm on there, guys. Old Fishing 864. We trying extremely hard here. So make sure you hit that like button if you like this or not. Alright, guys, I done swapped back to the old Guggen Gold with the Shimano on there. Got the Guggen clutch on there. Oh, this thing throws magnificent too. See if we can't get us something on there. It's about 15 feet deep right here. I ain't seeing no fish on the Garmin. B is like over there. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. Oh damn, I'm all fishing on top of somebody. I didn't even know them people was over there, really. My bad. Hold on, guys. Let's try to get out their way. I'm all on top of somebody over here. Wind blowing me around. Hey, there's actually fish right here, buddy. You guys see that? Fish. Alright, YouTube, I've been seeing all kind of fish here on the Garmin. I done throwed everything in the arsenal at them. Didn't hit me. Get your little micro dock runner out. Could very well be crappie. But I don't know. It's a little warm for crappie, ain't it? We'll find out. Believe it or not, guys, this little mini rod here throws pretty good. I mean, it's very smooth. I got it on a Shimano spinner. Walmart, 20 bucks. Maybe like 30. It's good. It's a good little rig though for creek fishing and all that good stuff. Got a little line on there. It's probably 6 pound mono. Got a little jig head on there. Bobby Garland. It's my go-to. Alright, guys, so I was just cruising along here on the old Yakety Yak and looked down on the Garmin and was showing some fish. So I grabbed the old Abu combo Black Max. Still a good workhorse in my fleet. Still to this day, 2 years later. This rod and reel combo has been a great service to Fishing 864. And she still runs, she still rides good, boys. No complaints. A lot of people say, oh, them Black Maxes, man, I had mine 2 days and broke it. Broke the rod. Well, I've actually kind of took care of it, honestly. And I've had this old Abu for some time and ain't broke it. Took really good care of it. So then I felt like, you know, I was responsible for more expensive stuff. I mean, however, yes, I did break 2 tips off of 2 rods, but I don't feel like that was my fault because the Jeep broke the tip off of one when I was shifting into reverse and just snapped it off. And I was on the John boat with old Lightning and yeah, hit a little stump while we was moving around, wasn't paying attention, snap. But as far as me actually breaking some rods, I've never done that. Knocked on a kayak. I did, however, have a dream last night, as a matter of fact, that me and old Catfish King, we was down at the power plant. And I had my Guggen Gold combo, which has got my Shimano reel on it. And guess what I did, B? I dropped it over the wall. That felt so real that I woke up and was like, oh, thank God, it was just a dream. Yeah, I did that the first day I had it. But this ain't a talking channel, this is a fishing channel, so stay tuned. Well, we got skunked. I did anyway. B over there, South Carolina fish hunter, he caught him a bass. So, should I give him the lure anyway? Even though he did not catch a fish on it, on the chatterbait. So,
technically, I did catch a fish on the lure that you had. I just didn't get it to them.
Okay, so, if I should give SC Fish Hunters the chatterbait he picked out, leave a comment down below if I should give it to him anyway. But anyway, he whooped us on overall, so he got the fish, one and only fish we was trying. We was here to New Lake. It's real muddy. I don't know, it's the first time we ever been here. Macedonia Lake in Cross Keys. So if you hadn't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up if you like this. I don't know when this video is gonna drop. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. Till next time, Fishing 864. Keep those lips a-ripping. Peace.